6 years back, if somebody would have told that baby Navya that she would pursue the dream of her life, she would have cried her eyes off. Hi, my name is Navya, and welcome to my first ever YouTube video where I tell you about how I went from NEET to BPT. Since a lot of you follow me from my NEET journey, so it's very important to get there from scratch. And I'm going to tell you कि ये thought मेरे दिमाग में आया कहाँ से, where did I get to know कि मुझे डॉक्टर ही बनना है and why not something else. It all started in 2020 when I was 15 years old, and I started using Snapchat back then, and it had that filter which used to give you that surgeon wala look, and it had that iCard on the collar which said your name, like it had written Dr. Navya. I'll attach that picture if I find it. I sent that picture to my mother, and all she said was, Kash ye sach hota. Yes, just these words कि काश ये सच होता. एंड एज अ किड दैट स्टक इन माई माइंड कि मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, अब मुझे सिर्फ एक ही करियर पता है, मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, जिसकी मुझे एबीसीडी भी नहीं पता थी कि कैसे बनना है, कहाँ से पढ़ना है, क्या करना है. I took PCB in class 11th, and I didn't know what my backup is going to be. What if I am not able to be a doctor? What next? I knew nothing. Then cut to 2024 when I completed my 12th. I secured 60%. Yes, 60%. मैंने अपनी पूरी 11th and 12th legit बर्बाद करी थी. I didn't even study a word. There are so many chapters in physics, chemistry and bio, all three subjects जिनको मैंने आज तक एक बार भी नहीं पढ़ा है. Yes, I have not studied it even once in my these 2 years, and उसके बाद के दो ड्रॉप में भी मैंने आज तक नहीं पढ़ा है. So, and then too, I had the audacity to appear for NEET exam in the same year. And cut to the fun part is I didn't put my hometown as a choice of center. I had put Lucknow in the first option and then Kanpur in the second one, and Lucknow was my center. I went there. I gave my NEET 2024. I secured somewhere around 120 to 130 ऐसा कुछ marks था. I don't exactly remember. Then I came back home. I decided कि अब मैं फिर से पढ़ूंगी. I'm going to take a drop. Now let's get into the serious part. So when I came back from the center, I was a little confused whether I should take a full drop or I should just start my graduation and take NEET alongside. So what I decided was मैं कर लूँगी double task and I should start my graduation and I will keep on preparing NEET alongside. Then मैं 2025 में नीट दे दूंगी, एंड इफ आई क्रैक इट आई लीव दैट ग्रेजुएशन, आई शिफ्ट टू एमबीबीएस, एंड अगर नहीं हुआ then that graduation is my option. Then I searched a few courses that matched my interest, and I got to a conclusion that I like forensic science. So I took admission in bachelor's of forensic science in 2024 in Amity University, Noida. If you are someone who thinks the same कि graduation के साथ साथ you can prepare for NEET, then bro, try to take it privately. Do not indulge into a college, and especially ऐसा college जिसमें attendance mandatory हो, because Amity asks for 75% attendance, and it was very difficult to maintain every single thing together. So I dropped the plan of getting into NEET. I completed around 6 months there. So as I returned from Noida in March 2025, the next NEET was in May 2025, which had just 2 months in between. So I dropped the plan कि हाँ नहीं हो पाएगा 2 महीने में. So I just gave up. नहीं होने वाला. And after May 2025, when the NEET was gone, every single thing was done. Now comes the main part. I spent almost 2 to 3 months in thinking the same question that runs in any other student's mind was, what is going to be my next step. I was so freaking confused. I searched every single option in that meantime, be it B pharma, psychology, then optometry, then I searched for nursing and every possible outcome that I could do with PCB just to make my career, because that was सच अ हॉरिबल फेज इन माय लाइफ, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे क्वेश्चन ये नहीं था कि मैं क्या करूं, अब क्वेश्चन ये बन चुका था मैं कुछ कर पाऊंगी या नहीं। आई यूज टू फील कि सब आगे जा रहे हैं एंड आई एम द ओनली वन हु इज टेकिंग ड्रॉप एंड ड्रॉप एंड ड्रॉप एंड ड्रॉप, एंड मैं अपनी ग्रेजुएशन अभी तक स्टार्ट भी नहीं कर पाई हूँ। सो दैट फेज वॉज सो हर्टफुल, एंड उसी के बीच में द माई ब्रदर सजेस्टेड मी दिस कोर्स which was BSc psychology, and I researched about it a bit and मुझे वो अच्छा लगा honestly, such a fantastic course, and I was very convinced that this is going to be my future. I started looking for the universities that offer this course in my hometown, but unfortunately none of the university, none of the colleges in Prayagraj offers BSc psychology. So I started looking in all over the India wherever I could find it, and now it is around, I guess, November 2025 that my uncle suggested, let's send her abroad. अब पिक्चर में आ चुका है बड़ा धमाका, दैट इज अब्रॉड भेजना है इसको। माई फैमिली अग्रीड, आई अप्लाइड फॉर पासपोर्ट्स, आई वेंट फॉर एजुकेशन लोन, आई डिड every single thing. My brother and my sister-in-law helped me searching for colleges and all, and everything was so done that it was just that I am moving abroad in March 2026 intake. But I don't know what happened, and that plan also got now Navya is not going abroad anymore. So now it is NEET 2026, and neither I am moving to abroad now nor I am able to study 100% for NEET 2026. So what to do now? The next moment I remember, I am attending this event in a university in my hometown. My best friend had put a stall over there for something, and I was there to just motivate her and be with her. So I saw my seniors there, I saw my mates there, I saw my juniors there, and I cried so freaking hard after coming back from that college. And what is this? My seniors are here, my mates are here, they are pursuing, my juniors are in the same college. Why am I not studying? Why am I not doing? And that was the moment that I decided I am going to study for NEET 2026 again. मैंने बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ा, सब कुछ करा, बट लास्ट मोमेंट आते आते तक दिस फूल लेडी, दिस crackhead didn't fill the form of NEET 2026. How can somebody be so dumb? मैंने फॉर्म क्यों नहीं भरा? I don't know. Why didn't I fill my form? Even I don't understand. But what happened? I didn't fill the form. एंड उसके बाद मुझे जो रिग्रेट हुआ है कि मैंने फॉर्म क्यों नहीं भरा। एंड देन आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट दिस लीक वाला पूरा सिस्टम, एंड जैसे ही मैंने रीनीट की न्यूज़ सुनी, आई गॉट सो हैप्पी, एंड आई थॉट दैट शायद न्यू रजिस्ट्रेशंस ओपन अप होंगे, एंड आई वॉज समवेयर प्रिपेयर्ड। सो नाउ आई वॉज फुली कन्विंस्ड दैट नहीं हुआ कोई बात नहीं, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अनदर ड्रॉप। आई जॉइंड अ लाइब्रेरी, I started studying for NEET 2027, and this is the time I made that content. I made that Instagram page, and my first ever reel blew up, and I got so much love from you all. So पहला दिन मैंने पढ़ा, दूसरा दिन पढ़ा, तीसरा दिन पढ़ा, चौथे दिन मेरी बुद्धि फिर से पलट गई। Yeah, like my mind flipped, and I got, because I saw this advertisement on Instagram which said that there's this university in Jaipur which is offering BSc psychology, clinical psychology. So I just filled that form. It costed me 600 rupees, and I didn't even ask my parents about it. मैंने ऐसे ही उसको बस fill कर दिया, and when I got to know कि मेरा admission actually seriously हो चुका है, I told my parents about it, and they were legit shocked. मतलब दे आस्क्ड मी दिस सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन कि तुम पागल तो नहीं हो गई हो? You joined library yesterday, you went to buy question banks day before yesterday, and now you're saying you don't want to continue NEET, you want to pursue BSc clinical psychology. What is this? How do I explain this feeling to them? So I didn't explain much to my parents कि क्या है कैसा है, because I honestly didn't have answers in my own. जब मुझे ही नहीं पता तो मैं उन्हें क्या बताऊंगी कि that why I flipped. So मैंने कुछ इतना explain नहीं किया, and I requested them, I convinced them somehow, and they were convinced at last. They were ready to send me Jaipur. Now they paid another 5,000 for my registration in that college in Jaipur, and अभी तक सबको, मुझे भी यही पता है कि मैं साइकोलॉजी कर रही हूँ, मुझे यही पता है कि मैं साइकोलॉजी कर रही हूँ। अब आप सोच रहे होगे सब कुछ सॉर्ट हो गया, ठीक है, मैनेज हो गया, साइकोलॉजिस्ट बन जाएगी ये लड़की। Then, one day I was just scrolling Instagram and there was this prompt which said that it can convert you from your normal picture from this to this, and my heart smiled because it was my dream to see myself with a stethoscope, with scrubs and everything. So I had put it on my wallpaper. Since then, जिस दिन से मैंने बनाया है तब से ये wallpaper हटा नहीं है, and वो 2 दिन आई क्राइड माई आईज ऑफ कि क्यों मैं एक डॉक्टर नहीं बन सकती, वाई क्यों नहीं बन सकती। सो आई कन्विंस्ड माई पेरेंट्स कि देखो ना, अगर कुछ हो सकता है, प्राइवेट हो सकता है, देन किसी का जुगाड़ से हो सकता है, कोई पॉलिटिशियन के कहने से हो सकता है, मतलब कुछ तो ऑप्शन होंगे ना जिससे कि मैं प्राइवेटली एमबीबीएस कर सकती हूँ। Every door was closed at that point and I lost all the hopes कि अब नहीं हो सकता कुछ। When I say destiny, I really mean it, because just after that day my feed in my Instagram feed was filled with physiotherapy reels. I saw that one reel of Garima Goel ma'am, and she was informing that from the next year, that is 2027, BPT will fall under नीट कैटेगरी, लाइक यू विल हैव टू गिव नीट फॉर बीपीटी एज वेल, जैसे आप बीडीएस के लिए या बीएचएमएस के लिए देते हो। तो आई स्क्रॉल्ड इट बिकॉज आई डिडंट लाइक फिजियोथेरेपी एट ऑल स्टार्टिंग से। तो मुझे बस ये लगता था कि फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट आर जस्ट दैट मसाज वाले, मालिश वाले, एंड नो ऑफेंस बट आज तक 60% लोगों को यही लगता है कि फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट आर जस्ट दैट मसाज वाले। एंड माई ओन ब्रदर सेज दैट शी इज गोइंग टू बी अ हड्डी चटकाने वाला डॉक्टर। तो किसी को एक्चुअली पता नहीं है कि व्हाट फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट आर एक्चुअली, वैसे ही मुझे भी नहीं पता था। एक रील आई, मैंने स्किप कर दी, दूसरी रील आई, मैंने स्किप कर दी, तीसरी, चौथी, पांचवी, मतलब आई केम अक्रॉस एटलीस्ट 12 to 15 reels per day about BPT, and I was just skipping it because obviously 2 years back, if somebody would have told me that now you are going to be a physiotherapist, I would have just eवed that I don't want to be, I don't like it, because क्या इतना पढ़ने के बाद कोई मुझे मालिश वाली बोले, ऐसा तो नहीं होता ना। तो आई जस्ट स्किप द रील्स, but one day I don't know why my mind skipped and I tabbed the Wikipedia that I am going to understand what physiotherapy actually is. I got to know that physiotherapists can wear scrubs, physiotherapists can use stethoscopes, physiotherapists, are legal doctors and they can use the prefix doctor in front of their name with a suffix pt. So that sounded crazy. My jaw dropped. Am I, like, will I be able to be a doctor after doing BPT? If yes, I am going to do anything. If they are going to say me Malish Wali, I'm agreed. I just want to be a doctor. I researched about it a lot. I saw a lot of reels. I saw a lot of YouTube content around physiotherapy. Then I searched for the subjects that I'm going to study, and I was shocked to see that a lot, like 70% of the subject is similar to MBBS wale subjects, and I was so convinced. I went to my father and I said, Papa, physiotherapy करनी है, and he gave me legit a side eye. अभी तक तो साइकोलॉजी करनी थी, ये फिजियोथेरेपी कहाँ से आ गया दिमाग में अब तुम्हारे। बट स्ट्रेंजली उन्होंने अग्री कर लिया, बोला ठीक है स्विच करा लो। आई वेंट टू माई मदर, मम्मा फिजियोथेरेपी करनी है। तो ऑल शी सेड वाज, तुमसे बोला तो था अच्छा कोर्स है कर लो। भाई कोई ताने नहीं पड़े, कुछ नहीं हुआ। एंड द नेक्स्ट डे आई कॉल्ड द कॉलेज एंड मैम आई वांट टू चेंज माय कोर्स। शी सेड दैट राइट अ मेल एंड टेल अस दैट यू वांट टू चेंज योर कोर्स, एंड आई रोट द मेल ऑन द सेम डे I sent, and the next moment I got to know that I have a confirmed seat in physiotherapy. And now the kid in me is screaming that yes, you are going to be a doctor. So when I say trust the timings, bro, trust it. It really has something for you in future, and nothing ends if you do not reach your destiny at the age you thought of and reaches it 5 years later. It's okay. I know it feels super hectic when you want to do so much for your family, when you want to do so much for yourself, you want to earn, you want to be successful, and time निकला जा रहा हो तो बहुत बहुत बुरा लगता है अंदर से। लेकिन trust the timings. I am speechless right now, and I smile looking at my wallpaper daily that this is going to be me in a few years. And for a context, this is Khandan ki pehli doctor. And yeah, you can see the smile, it says it all. And I am super happy, super grateful, super glad, blessed that I am able to pursue my dreams. I feel so grateful for the people who trusted me in these 2 years कि कर लेगी, कुछ तो अच्छा कर लेगी. I don't want to share my timeline. I just wanted to express what goes inside a student when you don't have any guidance. And 90% of the students do not have guidance after class 12. So this was my story, and yeah, I choose BPT at last. So I am going to start my physiotherapy, bachelor's of physiotherapy in July. If you want to just come along in this journey, just hit the subscribe button. I'll wait for the like, and whatever you expect, whatever you have a feedback about this video, I would wait in the comment section. Till then, bye.